Hello friends, welcome. So we'll continue our regular. So it's just for 5 minutes. I will just give you some updates on the what are the new. There is no new tutorials here, but tomorrow morning you are going to add one. So that is on the Python basics again, and you will know what are the areas. What you already discussed. That same thing we have put it in a structure form in the tutorial. So what are the areas and why Python is not preferred over the others, or where Python is preferred. So those classifications we have given. The table also we have seen last time. So that's the same one we are explaining in the tutorial. Friends, I will just for 5 minutes only I will give you some details where you can study it in advance. So tomorrow when you discuss it more on in details, it will helpful. And most likely tomorrow we'll start our hello world program, means start first line of Python code also we'll write it. But before that I want you to study some of the let me just set up this. So I want you to read this thing. All these URLs are in the description, and one video is also there. It's a 2-3 years old video, but everything remains same. So you just Colab platform videos you see here. This we have discussed, and this is the tutorial what you are going to upload tomorrow. So you will learn about this classification, and we have explained which one is preferred, which area, which language is preferred. And there may be changes also. You may not agree with all the points, because and with the change in technology also some language is preferred over the others. Fine. And this interpreted versus compiled language, this will add later, because there are some changes was happening in the video, so we are unable to add this particular one. But what we are going to add is this one. See this, all the IDEs we have listed it here. Come to this particular URL. See which use case, what is the best IDE. This is just not a very rigid one to follow, but it is better these areas are mentioned. And at the end you can see why we are going to study in Colab. The reason is, though we ask it where it is, again I will tell you where you will download. Go to python.org and download your package and install it. But here you can read this about installing and all. But what we are asking is that you don't require to download or install anything on your system. We'll work on the Colab platform. Then you say, Colab, is it a Python? It's a Google's free cloud library. So you just need a Gmail ID or a Google account to use Colab. Use it. Your files are stored in your Google Drive, so it is always available. One thing is you need a dedicated internet connection always, because you will be directly working in the executing in the cloud platform. So it's a internet is required here, and your files are stored in your Google Drive. Anywhere you can access it. Wherever you have access to your Google account, you can access to your Python file. The best thing I suggest is Google Colab is you can easily collaborate with others. So you can easily share the file with your professor, with your anybody you want to debug it, or you want to show as a sample. You can easily share. No need to download, attach as an email, send it. It will be file limitation. All the issues won't be there. And moreover, for the beginners, Colab I prefer the best platform. It's a Google Cloud platform, and it's a Jupyter notebook, by the way. It's not a separate Google's own this thing. IPYNB, IPython and Interactive Python Notebook. That is why .IPYNB. That is the file thing. Is this, you can convert it to .py also, .python file. Download it, upload to GitHub. All commands are there. You can do it sitting on the Colab itself. So it's a browser based. In your browser, you can work in the Colab. That video tutorial is that YouTube tutorial is there in the link. So which is introduce you to the Colab platform. Please watch that one, so you will know all about Colab. Anyway, once you start working in Colab, you will be comfortable with all the commands whatever it gives you. So there is no need of reading anything else. Just see here. Here is the video. It's an old video. You just see this. This is the video on Colab. Excel file connection, all the things are there. You can do everything by using Colab. So you come back here also, you will get this one is the basic one. On Colab you study this one, so you will get a fair idea. And the installation, if you want to read it from here. installation, step by step guide installing. You can download it, but as I told, we will be following Colab, so no need to install it in your system. So about IDEs, where you will write the code. Anyway, the list is here. The best one is okay. It is PyCharm is the best one, which is widely used. But anyway, we are going for Colab. So IPYNB file will be creating. It's a Jupyter notebook only. So finally, that is the one you are using. So no need to download any IDE for Python. And one more thing. So far in our previously we have seen lot of Kinter applications and all. Why we have not used Google Colab and we have used Visual Studio Code? VS Code is also another one. The reason why I use VS Code is I also use VS Code for PHP also. So this is a common code. It's not exclusively for Python. That is the reason I use VS Code. VS Code is also quite popular and it's a powerful. But you need to install it, run it in your system. You need to carry your file to, if you are changing your system, working somewhere else, need to carry. But if you are in Colab, you don't have to do that. Then why we have not used Colab platform previously when using our Kinter applications? Note that Kinter is a GUI, it's a graphic user interface. So what happens is it's a desktop application you are developing. In a cloud platform, you cannot create a desktop application, isn't it? Where the display will come when you display something to a window screen, to your window, cloud server cannot access your desktop. That is the reason why for Kinter we have used Visual Studio Code. And now since for basic Python, even data analytics, pandas, numpy, everything we will do it in Colab. So Colab is preferred here because we are learning. So for beginners and all, it is easy to share. You can send the file to someone to check it for debugging and all. It is very quite easy. And you just need it's a browser based application. Once it is Colab, it's just browser is required. Nothing, no ID, nothing, editor is not required to be installed, or Python not required to be installed. Google gives everything. Even advanced libraries are also pre-installed. It's give you your processor also, graphics processor also it gives. So you can use that one. So friends, that's the idea to tell you. Okay, 10 minutes. I thought it will be 5 minutes today. Let's come back, see how it is. Okay friends, so please accordingly you plan it. Tomorrow we'll start with a Hello World program. Tell your friends also to join. Daily 7:30 we are coming and regularly for the live session to discuss with you all the technical. We come for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, giving you the idea what are the tutorials we have added or what we have planned to add in next 1 or 2 days. So it's an interaction mostly for your questions and answer sessions. You can ask questions and we'll discuss those things. So hope you are enjoying our tutorials, and with a request that please join us tomorrow also 7:30 Indian Standard Time, always evening time, 7:30 PM we are coming online. That's all friends. Hope you have enjoyed it, and you have any doubts, suggestion, idea, questions, put it in the comment section below. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.